is Prince Harry's case against the publishers of The Sun being thrown out as a judge brands the Palace claim about an alleged secret agreement implausible. Let's go down to the High Court now, and our TalkTV correspondent Nick Ellerby is there. Nick, good afternoon. What can you tell us about what has happened today?
Good afternoon, Peter. Yes, as you said on your programme, Prince Harry's phone hacking case against the Sun newspaper has been thrown out today. Whether Harry could have brought that claim hinged on a couple of things. Firstly, did he know back in 2012 if he had a phone hacking case to bring against the News of the World and the Sun, and obviously News Group newspapers owned by Rupert Murdoch? Now, News of the World, now defunct, has apologised and admitted phone hacking, but the Sun journalists always deny those claims. The judge today, Mr. Justice Fancourt, said there's no way that Harry would be able to prove in court that he didn't know he had a claim against the Sun and the journalists all those years ago. The other thing is Harry's lawyers were saying they were trying to amend his case based on what Harry alleged was a secret agreement between Buckingham Palace, the royal family, and NGN News Group. Now, the judge today said actually there's no way he could have proved any evidence to show that there was a secret deal in place, preventing him to bring his case today. And the News Group newspaper have called it a significant victory. They say it's clear there was no secret agreement between them and Buckingham Palace, and they're happy and looking forward to drawing a line under these claims. But Prince Harry does have other claims against the Sun newspaper he alleges using unlawful methods to gather stories about him, including the use of private investigators. That could go to trial in January or possibly January 2025.
So this isn't over yet, Nick. What has been the reaction from the Sussexes? Because we know, I have the statement here from News Group newspapers, but what have they said, or are they saying anything at the moment? No reaction yet from the Sussexes. We do know that Prince Harry has a number of claims against the British media, including Mirror Group newspapers, similar claims, but as yet, no word from them. OK, Nick, down at the High Court, thank you very, very much indeed. And I'll just read a little bit more of that spokesperson for News Group newspapers. The High Court has today, in a significant victory for News Group newspapers, NGN, which is called, it's owned by News UK, which is also the owner of TalkTV, just want to make that absolutely clear, dismissed the Duke of Sussex phone hacking claims against both the News of the World and the Sun. As we reach the tail end of litigation, we're drawing a line under disputed matters, some of which date back more than 20 years ago. In arguing his case, the Duke of Sussex has alleged a secret agreement existed between him, Buckingham Palace, and the News Group newspapers, which stopped NGN from asserting the Duke's claim had been brought too late. The judge, Mr. Justice Fancourt, found his claims in relation to the alleged secret agreement were not plausible or credible. It's quite clear that there was never any such agreement, and it's only the Duke who has ever asserted there was. Mr. Justice Fancourt then dismissed the Duke's phone hacking claims against both the News of the World and the Sun on the grounds that the claim had been brought too late. This substantially reduces the scope of his legal claim. The exact nature and scope of any trial of the remainder will be the subject of further hearings. So we know from today there'll be a lot more to come on this, Alex. It's not over yet.